We are young, we run free, stay up late, we don't sleep. Got our friends, got the night, we'll be alright. Tonight you won't be by yourself, just leave your problems on the shelf. You won't wanna be nowhere else. So let's go, we got the club light. And all the girls say it, the whole world say it. Yeah, come on, let's get drunk, toast it up. We don't give up, we are young, we run free, stay up late, we don't sleep. Got our friends, got the night, we'll be alright. Throw our hands in the air, pretty girls everywhere. Got our friends, got the night, we'll be alright. Alright. We walk these streets like we don't care. Our middle fingers in the air. So come and join us if you dare. Yeah, let's go. We got the club light. And all the girls say it, the whole world say it.
Happy birthday to you. Everybody sing. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Sing it again.
Kamusta mga kids? Ako naman mag-show. Ayun, thank you for coming. It's Baste's first birthday. Salamat po sa inyo. Medyo short notice pero natuwa naman ako kasi happy lahat. So, salamat po sa lahat. So susunod, 7th birthday na. Susurprise na lang namin kayo.
Did you guys enjoy?
Yes!
Sino walang nakuha prize? Lahat nakakuha? Okay, so I'm glad you guys enjoyed the first birthday and all the magic tricks and the games. And I hope that everyone is full. Salamat sa pagpunta guys. I know the medyo mainit, but na-appreciate namin yung presence nyo. What's important is that we are all here as a family. Second family and third family are here. So, na-appreciate po namin kasi milestone of course na aming baby. We're not supposed to celebrate, pero we decided to go ahead with the celebration kasi nga syempre first birthday ng aming baby, only baby Baste. So, thank you guys for coming.